Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be, if I get this wrapping paper out of the way, I will be showing you a amazing fluffy slime that I happen to make with Elmer's glue. It is silver, acrylic silver, and I will be, you guessed it, pressing. So let's get on with this. Out of the way. Do some pressing. Amazing. I know this sounds a bit creepy, but if you were here in my room right now and you were doing this, you would die. Because it's so good. Yes. So good. Hold on, I just got a text message from Izzy Creamer. Shout out to Izzy Creamer. Mom texted Stephanie. Yeah. Okay, let's get back to this. Sorry about that, guys. Bit of fun. If you're not very fun person, bit of fun for you. And this is really easy. Remove this. Take it off like that. And this also makes your slime more light and thick and fluffy. I'm gonna give this one a go. Ooh. So good. To the haters out there, make sure to stop hating and just to live life. Because you know, you only live once. And it's just a bit of fun. I know these videos are really cringy, but you know, just a bit of fun in the spare time. If you don't like these ones and you really like me, then you can comment down below on something else you want me to do. Anything you want me to do, I'll do it. Please comment down below something you want me to do, like a Q&A or something, questions. That'd be really good. If I could just get like 2 questions, I'd be happy with that. I really want to do a question and answer thing, or the same person. If one person is watching this video right now, I want to say to somebody who's watching this video right now, comment down below if you have a channel. Lots of questions. Hopefully one of my viewers has a channel. Please comment down below with lots of questions, and I will be giving away a prize to the person who asks the most questions. And it is another Bath and Body Works shower gel and a perfume from Bath and Body Works as well, about this big. So I will get it if you don't believe me. So it's right back here on my desk. See? Shower gel right here. The Jasmine shower gel and my perfume. It also comes with a mini perfume as well, but I'm going to keep that one. So make sure to comment down below lots of questions so I could do a Q&A, and at the end of the Q&A I will say who did the most questions and we'll give away a prize. So make sure to do that and to hit the little bell, the push notification bell, and to subscribe and give a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching my fluffy slime pressing video. Bye!